Okay, here's one more example in this section. And we're going to begin, as always, by writing the question out. So it's going to be 2x minus 5 on 3 minus x is equal to 13. Now this equation, the first thing we see about it is that it has parentheses. Remember how you deal with parentheses. Anything that is immediately, that means tight up against the parentheses, we're going to have to distribute into the parentheses. And the number that is tight against the parentheses here is this negative 5. Okay, not the 2x, because the 2x is separated by the minus sign, the negative sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the negative 5, the bit that's tight up against the parentheses, and multiply it in there. So now remember, we're not using the 2x in the multiplication. It's not part of the distribution. Okay, so we have the 2x. We keep the 2x. Now, negative 5 by 3 is minus 15. And minus 5 by minus x, you have to, when you're distributing, you have to include the number in front of the 5, so the sign in front of the 5. So it's negative 5 by negative x. Minus by a minus is plus 5x is equal to 13. Okay, this should look familiar to you all. What we want to do now is keep our x's together, and anything that doesn't have an x, those pieces also need to be together, but on the other side. So on the left-hand side of this equation, we have the 2x and we have the 5x. They're each to the left of the equal sign. So all the x's are on the left of the equal sign. But we also have the negative 15 over here. Now if the x's are going to be kept on the left, we need to move the ordinary regular numbers to the right-hand side. So that negative 15, we're going to move that across to the other side. Okay, so let's try that. So we're moving negative 15 out of here, and it's going to leave us with 2x plus 5x. And on the other side we have the 13, and now we said we would move the negative 15 across, but remember, if you change sides, you should be starting to get familiar with this now. If you change sides, you change signs. Okay. So the negative 15 is moving across, it's changing sides, so we have to change its sign. So negative 15 moves across and becomes plus 15. And that leaves you 2x plus 5x, which is 7x. 13 plus 15 is 28. And again, the last thing to do is to divide by whatever is in front of x. Divide by 7. So we have 28 divided by 7. The 7's will cancel, and we have x is equal to 4. Okay? And again, hopefully you can see that you can start to work through these problems very quickly now. It takes a little bit of getting used to, and it's going to be a bit of a learning curve at the start. But if you persevere through the first day, then you will get very quick at these, and hopefully you'll do them very well. Okay, next we're going to look at fractions and how you handle fractions in equations. But for now, you're doing very well. We're going to do some more exercises.